buddies, and welcome to our video for today, where I will be showing you one way of how to save frog cards when synthesizing or leveling up your the jutsu of your shinobi. Okay, so before, it's actually this matter is not really that much of a problem until the 6th anniversary came and the LB, which can be leveled up to level 15, came introduced firstly by the NTL and STL Shinobi. And since then, we all share difficulty in enhancing limit breaks because of it, because it's really costly. If the LB, for example, is not boosted and you want to max it out starting from level 1 up to level 15, as you can see on the screen, this is the amount of froggies that you will be needing to max it out. Just a single LB. While if the card is boosted, for example, as you can see on the screen, when it's boosted, it's discounted. So we will save at least some less Shinos. But regardless, whether it is boosted or not, it's still burdensome to upgrade. And actually, currently, in my opinion, it's even easier to up an EX ult using its EX froggies compared when leveling up an LB up to maxing out. Okay? So take for example this. So I have a level 10 non-boosted ultimate. Okay? So it only requires 6 gold EX froggies just to max a level 10 EX ult. But compared to a level 10 LB, even though you use already, as you can see on the screen, 26 gold froggies, it is still not enough to max a LV. It can only make it at least almost level 14. Okay? And even though, EX froggies are rare in their source because we don't have a stable sources of it aside from, I think, if you are free to play. But if you are pay to win, you can easily buy some in the shop, I believe. But as for the normal froggies, we can acquire them in various missions and exchange shop, such as the team attack mission, in everyday logins, either from the daily achievements or in the normal pass login of achievements, from the enhancement mission, as you can see on the screen, which is only clearable by 1 times every day, and when it's anniversary, it's usually the clear is increased up to 3, which is not that really a big help. From GGW, if as you can see here, rewards as you help the guild upgrade their GGW port, you can get their froggies, some froggies. In the daily shop, sometimes froggies appear in the shop where you can buy it using Shinobites. In roundup mission, when there is a new roundup mission each month, we can exchange their froggies also. And lastly, in the voltage medal exchange, where medals are obtainable when you log in NXB every day. And as you can see here, it requires you 22 medals, equivalent to 22 days of logging in before you exchange only 1 gold froggies. Okay? So as you can see, we do have a lot of sources, but they don't give enough froggies to be able to us to easily upgrade LB. That is why one of the ways that I do is by doing XP extraction and allocating those points the LB. As we all know, this feature was introduced last year. I just don't know which particular month, but the mechanics is just as easy as this. So, take for example, we will be using Ashura as our example for this video. Where is Ashura? Okay. So, take for example, I have card that is maxed out already and I don't use this particular jutsu frequently. We can extract the XP from that by going to synthesize and then click the shinobi you wish to desire to extract their XP and click this XP collection. And when you come here, as you can see, you just click the card that you want to get the XP, and then you just press this button, and yeah, you can suck it out all. Unfortunately, it doesn't get all the points. It only gets the 8% of the XP. Okay, so that is why you can only get 1,500 points from there. Okay, so we'll just click this, and yeah, it's extracted already. This is the reason why I don't throw easily cards that I got from summons. I mean, literally all of them. I only sell some of them which are not usable to me in my opinion. For example, I don't need Onoki's card, then I'll just sell it. But as for the other cards that which may be useful in the future, I don't easily throw them out, but rather I synthesize them and I extract their XP. Take for example, we will use Gaara War, okay? Or rather Gaara, the usual Gaara. As you can see here, I already have some of his identical cards here. So we can extract already points here. So for example, yan, I will get this. And since I have copies of it, I can replenish the lost levels of it. So we'll try to evolve first the said cards, as you can see here. And when it's done, we can once again synthesize it to the said card. So why the need to evolve it first before synthesizing it? Because if you directly synthesize it without upgrading it, it will only give you less points. Okay, so that is why it is required to evolve it first to harvest even more points. As you can see here, the level of this jutsu is back to level 6 once again, and we can extract it once again. That is why I don't throw cards even though there are trash. And yeah, all the cards that I got from that fucking 120 tickets, trash, free tickets, trash summon, I did not throw all of them, and most of them I save as of the moment. As you can see, that is why my inventory is almost full. But maybe you're asking why you haven't evolved it and suck their jutsu points currently, because I don't have yet resources to do that. Because you don't need not just Ryo or coins, but you also need these gems in upgrading, in evolving them. Because I don't want to directly synthesize them and extract their points, because I want to get as much as points from them. Because as I have mentioned earlier, we can only get 8% of the points that we have. And by constantly doing this, for example, over time, I was able to accumulate a good amount of card XP through extraction. Like this, for example, I was able to get 14k or less than 15k over time, which I can allot in any Ashura's jutsu. For example, where is Madara? Here, I have already accumulated 22k card XP points over time, which I can already use to upgrade either this very old ultimate of his up to max, as you can see, or upgrade his new LB here, which is still in level 1, from level 1 up to max. Okay, so that is the value of not throwing easily the trash cards that you got from the summons. So initially, when it was first introduced last year, the common notation of people of spending card XP which was extracted is to use it in EX Ultimate. Because as I have mentioned a while ago, EX Froggies are very rare to acquire unless you become pay to win. So that is why this is using this process, we can already easily max out EX Ultimate. Like for example, I have this old EX Ultimate of Ashura, which is at level 12. I can max it out using 10k XP points make it maxed. But now that we are currently struggling in upgrading LB, I believe it will be very wise to use it rather in the LB rather than in the EX Ultimates. Okay? Because like this, for example, if you have many stocks of EX Froggies, you can just easily max out an EX Ultimate. Like this, for example, from level 12 to level 15, it will only require 4 gold Froggies to max this particular non-boosted EX Ultimate. Unlike when upgrading an LB, which is really a pain in the ass, because if you will only use purely Froggies just to max it out, as you can see here, you will be spending a lot of Froggies. Take note, this LB is still boosted. So, if it's not boosted, it's even more costly. So, if we will allocate here these XP points that we see here, so I will extract this all the more, this particular jutsu, to add more points there, and we will allocate it in Ashura's LB, we will be saving a good amount of Froggies. Yeah, it's not that a bit much, as you can see. So I made it into level 7. So let's try to see how many Froggies did we spend. So I maxed everything here. So as you can see here, at least we were able to save more than 30 bronze Froggies in the process. Because by just allotting all those 15k points, we were able to level up Ashura's LB up to level 7. And then the rest, we can just freely use the Froggies that we have to do the other upgrading. As you can see here, I even tried to save even more. So we reduce here. So we will only spend 326 green Froggies, 130 blue Froggies, and 93 Froggies to max a boosted LB. Okay? So that's it, buddies, on how to save even more Froggies now that we have these very burdensome LBs. Okay? So that's all, buddies. I hope this video helped you, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, and if you want more of my contents, don't forget to subscribe, buddies. So that's all, buddies. Kita-kits, mga katropa.